Hi all. We teachers are engaging our students through online sessions during these days. And many of us are asked to keep the attendance records of the students who are attending the classes. So these things were done when we were conducting face-to-face classes very easily by maintaining an attendance register in our institution. And when we are at home and when we are using the virtual platforms or digital platforms for conducting the classes online, we will be facing some issues regarding the attendance records, right? So how to keep the attendance, how to get the record of the attendance for on a session conducted online, that is what we are going to discuss here. If you are using Google Meet as your digital platform for conducting online classes for your students, you are having a provision to maintain the records of each session, where you will be able to have the names of the pupils who are attending your sessions, and so that you can convert it into a digital attendance register. And for this purpose you will have to install an add-on or extension called Google Attendance, and let us discuss how the thing is working here. Thank you very much. Now here we have already scheduled a meeting. As you can see it that here at 4:20 p.m. I have a meeting scheduled. Okay, so this in this meeting I am not inviting my students. Actually I have invited one of my another email IDs. Okay, so here what shall we do? We'll just create this meeting and start this meeting, and my another email ID will be joining on my mobile, and we'll see how the attendance registration will be done. Okay, now before that, to register to record the attendance register, we need to install an application called Meet Attendance. Okay, and here you can, I have already installed that, so that you will be able to see an extension here. Okay, an icon is there, so that will be active only when I come to Google Meet. Now you see an apples icon is there, so that is the icon of Meet Attendance. If you haven't installed the Meet Attendance extension on your Google Chrome, what you have to do is you just open your Google Chrome and type Meet Attendance extension. Okay, for Chrome you can type, and you will be taken to here. Meet Attendance is seen. You can open that and you can install that. So I have already installed that, that's why here remove from Chrome is there. If you haven't installed, instead of this remove from Chrome, you will be having installed the application extension. Okay, after you just click on install, and it will be installed on your Google Chrome. After that you come here, whenever you schedule the meeting, after scheduling the meeting, you just start the meeting, and I hope you might have given the notification, or you might have shared the link of the meeting with your students already. And at 4:20 p.m. I have scheduled a meeting. I'll just start the meeting now, and I'm in to the meeting. Okay, I'll just join now. I have already joined. Now what I have to do is I'll just wait for my students to join. Okay, I'll just wait for my students to join, and let my student to join here. Here Google Meet is there, and as I have already invited my another Gmail ID here, this is seen here, this meeting. When I click on open Google Meet, here already it is been displayed. So I'll just click on join, and I will also be in to the meeting. Now on mobile, I have clicked on join. Okay, now I'm coming here, and you see there are two participants. So now I need to maintain the records of the participants, right? Now how can I make the record? For that purpose, I have already installed the Meet extension application on our device. Now I'll just click on this participants. Okay, this participants, and here there is one icon here. Here you can see that a record, 2 persons record is already maintained. And if you click on that, if you keep your mouse over that icon, this is the icon of attendance. And if I bring the cursor onto this icon, here some options are expanded. You see here, all these records will be maintained on a Google Sheet. I'll tell you, if I want to see how the record is kept, I'll just double click on, or click on this icon. Okay, where 2 is marked. If more students were joining, instead of 2, it will be displaying the number of students. Okay. I'm waiting for the sheet to load. See, the thing is very simple. You just need to install an extension called Meet Attendance, and this is the icon of that Meet Attendance. After installing this Meet Attendance on your Google Chrome, you just start the meeting, invite your students, let them also be in, and when you come to this meeting again, you can click on people. Okay, first you click on people so that this will be displayed, the icon where 2 is displayed. Okay, I have highlighted that icon here, so that will be displayed. And here you have to turn this tab, these things to on, so that your attendance will be registered. And if you want to get the record of this meeting, you just click on this icon, and so that the record will be opened on a Google Sheet. Now you see how the record is maintained. So where you can see my name alone, that is my student. Okay, so like this you can see how people are joined. Now to differentiate, I'll tell you the, see here, this is the host. This is the host. Okay, I'll just, for the, see the spelling is that. Now as a student, I have used my another Gmail ID where my name is displayed like this. Okay, so the difference is that. So I can you can see that first even your name will be marked in the attendance register, and your students will be marked here. If you have 10-15 students like this, their names will be coming here. Now suppose you are having two sections, okay, for the meeting, like first half an hour one session, and next half an hour or 1 hour another section. So what you can do, if you want to maintain the records of both separately, you can when the next session comes after half an hour, you can come here, you can click on this plus button, so that a new record, a new sheet will be maintained. Okay, like that you can maintain the records. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Now even if we are conducting online classroom, the recording of the attendance is not a problem. Thank you very much.